Hi guys, I am back, and as requested, this is a recipe video for my cream cheese whipped cream. I have with me, starting off, one package of cream cheese, which is I believe 8 ounce, with 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I am just whipping that up until it is nice and smooth. Now that it's nice and thick, I can go ahead and add my heavy whipping cream. I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and to that I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I am whipping this on low for right now so that nothing splatters all over the place. And once it's all fully combined, I will put it on high. Now, I don't want to overmix this because it is still a whipped cream. So I just want to make sure that it is nice and smooth, but then also has a thick consistency to it. And this is what we are looking for. And I am using a 6B tip for this, as well as a 1M tip. And I just wanted to show you the different types of tips that I would be able to use with this frosting. And this is it, guys. This is how I make my cream cheese whipped cream frosting. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to hit that notification button for more videos. Super easy to do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.